The high cost of charging plant protection drones is already a major pain point for flying hands. Radar RD6 pure electric pickup truck should be born. The vehicle is 5.26 meters long, 1.9 meters wide, and 1.83 meters high. The large capacity rear box can easily hold the large load plant protection UAV, meet daily operational needs. Equipped with 86 kilowatt-hour ternary lithium battery, the range can reach 550 kilometers. Diversity can expand space, make plant protection more convenient. The Radar RD6 also has an external discharge interface. The discharge mode can be opened inside the machine. Equipped with 220 volts 10A/16A, 12 volts 10A interface. Maximum discharge power up to 6 kilowatts.